Day 163. So now I got 20 more liters of fuel in the jerry can, and I'm gonna use that and fill up the whole 10 liter external tank for the diesel heater. And then I'm also going to secure some of the areas that are going to be stationary. The one thing that I'm not going to really secure too harshly is the fuel line, because I'm going to try and get that just added to the existing Skoolie diesel tank. I'll see what I can do about that, and if not, I'll just use the 10 liter tank. We'll see what happens. But I'm really happy things are starting to come together. that whole time I was trying to figure out one toggle switch for it, and then also a lighted rocker switch. I just couldn't get it, both of them, to work. So you know what? Whatever. I'm just gonna let it run for a little while and secure all the stuff that I need to secure, because it's clicking. What I done is I rotated this, because I only had a little bit last time and I wanted to angle it, so I had it rotated one ways. I rotated a little bit, so now the output is on the very bottom, so that's helpful. And I also put, I would say, about 9.8 liters in here, so that's pretty good, and it should be decent for now. I'll see what else I can do. What I've done now is, I know it's late, but what I've done is I've gotten these other switches, these toggle switch, that only have the two things on it that I hopefully think will work. I'm about to verify and find out. But yeah, I really hope these work. That way, all I have to do, oh, also, I got two of them, because I plan on, actually I already have purchased another 5K for the front area. So, because for an hour it got up to 15 degrees Celsius, so around 53 degrees when I checked with the other thermometer I have. And you know what, it's not quite there, but I'm going to go in definitely colder areas, so I definitely want a little bit extra. So I hope that'll work. And it works. That is beautiful. I am so happy that that works. So now I have two of them for the one that's going to come as well. And yeah, I'm going to call it a day because it's getting a little bit late, and I want to go home, play with Ranger. Well, to the other home and play with Ranger. And yeah, I'll definitely start, and I'll wire everything tomorrow and get it situated. And I plan on putting the one for here, this one, right here. That way I can just on and off if I need to, right above my bed. And yeah, I'm also planning on making that so I can put it right here as well and just basically operate it from the back. And I'll wire the whole thing and get it situated. I'll see you guys tomorrow.